Hi everyone, it's Rachel Smith with RE/MAX up in Big Bear. Today I'm going to walk you through this gorgeous log home, 1315 Shasta. Come check it out. Okay, so here we are from the cul-de-sac. So we are on Shasta Court. This is Shasta Road right here. Just a few, like maybe about a mile and a half to Bear Mountain. Very close, very quick, easy drive. Here's a little panorama of the cul-de-sac. And we're going to be looking at this gorgeous log home, 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 2-car garage, and 2,002 square foot. So first off, we always like to start with the lot lines, and we're going to be right around here on our lot lines. There is no clear defined marker on it, but my estimate's going to tell us somewhere in this vicinity. And then down here, I'm going to be looking somewhere along this path. You can kind of see some trees, some newer trees and some older trees over on this side. So I'm going to go back this way. And this one, the lot size is 8,015 square foot. And it is just gorgeous. I can't wait for you to see it. So rarely do you see too many log homes coming on the market, but this one is, as you can see, a full log home. Our roof is in great shape. Painting is very well done, very well cared for. You've got these nice live edge boards. And then out here, so our driveway is concrete driveway. Coming up is going to be stamped concrete. Then we're going to have our stop and waste right here. And then this beautiful, just kind of like overbuilt awning that covers the front door. Keeps you really protected from snow, ice, rains, all the elements. And again, here we are at 1315. And so coming in, I do want to show you the store. Beautiful, heavy duty, just like all the doors in the home. Craftsman door. Kind of got like a blown glass look. So coming in, to the left we have bedroom number 1, straight ahead laundry room, bathroom, and then to the right we've got another bedroom, and then upstairs master kitchen and another bathroom, living room and dining room. So coming in, notice we've got like a matted but sheen look on the live edge in the home. Like all of it has been cleaned up, polished up, and just overly loved on. You've got these half log stairs coming up. And so here we are going into bedroom number 1. It is pretty oversized in here. You do have 4 beds. You could easily get trundles in there too, have 6 in here, and still have a game room. So just lots of space in this one bedroom. We've got license plates from all across the country. Nice little gaming area. It's very cozy in here too. Carpet's in great shape. furniture is everything that you would dream of in a Big Bear home. And I can't wait to show you this closet. This is incredible. Check out how big this is. And so this one has not been used as a short-term rental, but would easily make for a great short-term rental. It has got all the features that one would be looking for, being that it's a log home, it's in Moonridge. And so this is going to be the intake for the furnace, which is going to be right in this room right here. So kind of newer looking. Don't know the age on there, but it is well insulated. And then we've got the laundry room. And one thing to note, I didn't mention yet, we do have travertine flooring all the way through the entrance, everywhere downstairs without the bedrooms. Or not travertine. I know what it is. If you know, let me know. So we do have tankless hot water, which is always a great thing to have up here. Set at 120, good size for the house, 3 bedrooms. And we've got our own private laundry room and can shut the door. Another thing, we do have central heating in the home. I mean, being in here is so, it's just great. The vibe in here is wonderful. So here we are, same flooring. We've got this nice kind of like a olive-ish green kind of tile with black trim, black countertops. These are all new cabinets, newer cabinets. And then the same wood features all throughout the house. And look how this beautiful window is trimmed out. I love that. And then here we have the shower. Kind of fun, it's got a tile on the top. And then we've got, I'm gonna call it travertine. I'm pretty sure, I forget the name of it. Drawing a blank. And then we're gonna go into bedroom number 2. And so here we have another oversized bedroom. So this one, you've got 4 beds in here too, essentially, because you can have trundles in these as well. Got a nice view to the outside. Get a lamp. And look how huge these headers are. I mean, this is a very, very well built home. And then we've got the closet. And so next we'll go upstairs. And here's those half log stairs coming up. Beautiful hand carved handrail. And then we're gonna hit some nice hardwood flooring up top. Here's a good shot of the roof also from this angle. And then check it out. Here we are at the top of the stairs. So to the left is the master bathroom, which is also shared with the upper floor. And then we've got the kitchen, living room, and dining room as well. But check out how this is done. I mean, that is a lot of work. It's very clean. Again, well taken care of. Okay, so we're gonna go into the master wing first. So here we have the bedroom, bathroom, and then a closet around the corner. So we'll kind of go through here. So coming in here, we've got vaulted ceilings. We've got some drywall, but the surrounding exterior walls and interior walls are the log homes. Queen size bed, could easily get a king size bed in here if you wanted to also. The home is also open to selling furnished. And here is the master bedroom closet with the access to the attic right here. But check out all these doors. I mean, very beautiful handles, very heavy doors, and everything is outlined in this live edge. Just gorgeous. And so here we are going into the master bathroom. So you've got kind of like the powder room area and then the toilet and the shower. We do have some stuff in here, but this is a cedar closet on the inside. And then I'm gonna turn this light on. It comes on with the fan, so bear with me. So coming in. Tile, tub. It's a cast iron tub, really good shape. And here you can see the logs. And like, look at the beautiful work that's done in between the logs. It's pretty cool. So come in this direction, we're gonna have the kitchen to the left, dining room, and then the living room right around this corner. So here's the kitchen, kind of like a galleyway kitchen. Again, exterior wall of cabinetry, all updated appliances. Really kind of fun textures on those cabinets too. Kind of like a greenish, grayish, brownish, blackish countertop that's granite. Appliances all match, all be in Whirlpool. Cast iron sink. A little view to the outside back here, which I will take you outside at the end of the tour. And then here's our dining room. Currently seats 6. Beautiful chandelier. I mean, can you see all these grooves? Great. And then here we have the living room. Again, still vaulted ceilings, open to the dining room and the kitchen. Beautiful original rock fireplace. Love that it's got the openings for the heat to come out. And very deep too. And you know me, I always like to look. No starter. And so here we have a little deck that comes outside. And this, we are above one of the bedrooms downstairs. Kind of comes all the way around to the back of the fireplace. And then from here, I think my game plan is going to be to walk you out back, down into the garage. So here we are out back. No real like defined property markers back here. I would guesstimate it. I'm not going to guesstimate it because I actually don't know. But if you come up here, I have an app to help you find it. So back here is somewhere where I would probably put a little hot tub area, maybe step down to one back here, build a little privacy fence like these people have right here. But as you can see, we've got some pretty big pillars down here, so deck is in really good shape. If you were to put a hot tub on this deck, though, you might have to put an extra, some extra load-bearing pillars underneath. Or you could just put it on the ground and call it a day. So coming down here, I'm gonna go into the garage and it is a 2-car garage. Oh, I just did deadlifts and that was one more I wasn't expecting. And so here we have even a full log garage too. Storage up above. And you could, if you wanted to, possibly knock a door somewhere around here to go into that one bedroom. But kind of think it's just perfect just the way that it is. So let me know what you think. We are listing for $875. Again, it's a 3-bedroom, 2-bath, 2,002 square foot log home. Let me know what you think. Bye.